Welcome to Pro-choc 7. This tutorial guides you through configuring your details, preferences, and contact information in the software. To access your profile, look at the top right on the window. If for some reason you see that the language is in French, please click on the British flag so that the menu switch in English. Click on My Account menu to open the drop list. Click on Profile to view or edit your user information. This is your profile account. You have the option to change your details, preferences, and contact information. Let's explore each one. This is the username that has been established by you when you subscribed to the software. It is linked to your account. It is possible to modify it, but you need to communicate with us. This way, we will be able to make sure that there is no impacts in your profile account. You have the option to change your title by to personalize your profile. Here you have the option to modify your first name. You have the option to modify your last name. This is an important field. You cannot see your password because it is encrypted by the software with the original password that has been established by you when you subscribed. Leave blank if you do not wish to change it. But if you want to modify it, please input your new password with a minimum of 8 alphanumeric characters and then save your modification. It is utmost important for you to remember it because once it is saved, Pro-choc has no way to retrieve it. This is the email that the software uses and has been established by you when you subscribed. It is linked to your account. It is possible to modify it, but you need to communicate with us. This way, we will be able to make sure that there is no impacts in your profile account. You could change your preferred language here. You can select your preferred currency format here. Here you have the option to modify your business name. This field is crucial for the software to RH calculations. Relative humidity impacts the shelf life and quality of food by affecting microbial growth, dehydration, and the physical and chemical processes within the food. High relative humidity can accelerate spoilage by promoting mold and bacterial growth, while low humidity can cause dehydration. By default, the software is set to 70% of relative humidity as an annual average in the Northern Hemisphere. If you want more details about this feature, you could either communicate with us or consult the document impacts of relative humidity on shelf life. You have the option to change your contact phone number. You can change your mobile phone number here. This field is for your address. You could modify the state or province. You have the option to change your area's postal code or zip code. You can change your city of residence or operation here. You have the option of changing your country by choosing it from the drop-down list. For your information only, this is your subscription start date. Do not forget, after any modifications, you need to save the changes. Please wait for this confirmation message indicating that you have successfully updated your changes. Click back to listing to return to the main menu. This concludes the tutorial.